Earn $100 plus per day online using AI tools in 2026. Complete step-by-step guide. Visuals. Fast montage. Laptop. AI tools. Money graphics. Narration. Do you want to earn $100 plus per day online in 2026 using AI tools? Today, I'll show you a step-by-step, beginner-friendly method to start making real money online. No hype, no false promises. Stay till the end because I'll share the exact tools and strategies. Top earners use visuals, animated text, earned $100 plus daily. AI logos, workflow charts, narration. In this video, you'll learn how to pick the best AI tools for online income, how to turn these tools into real cash. Step-by-step tutorials you can start today. Common mistakes to avoid. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to earn online using AI tools. Visuals, AI tool logos, ChatGPT, Canva, AI Pictory, Runway, narration. AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory allow you to create content, automate tasks, and offer services that pay. The key is to use them strategically. ChatGPT. Write blogs, scripts, Canva. I design logos, social media content. Pictory. Runway. Turn text into professional videos. Use properly. These tools can help beginners earn hundreds of dollars per month. Visuals, screen recordings, sample outputs, workflow charts, narration. Here's the step-by-step method. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a service. Writing, graphic design, video creation, or social media management. Focus is key. Step 2. Master 1. 2 AI tools. Don't overwhelm yourself. For example, content writers can focus on ChatGPT plus P. Step 3. Create portfolio and samples. Generate sample work, mini video, 5 logos, or blog post. Show clients proof of skill. Step 4. Find clients or platforms. Use freelance platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook groups, personal website, portfolio. Step 5. Scale your earnings. Increase prices gradually, bundled services, and serve multiple clients using AI to save time. Visuals, red warning icons, text animation, mistakes, narration. Narration. Beginners often make these mistakes, trying too many tools. Focus on 1, 2, overpromising, underpromise. No portfolio clients need proof. Ignoring trends, AI updates constantly. Avoid these to save time and increase success rate. Money animation, success graphs, checklist. Pro tips to earn more. Bundled services for higher value. Upskill weekly with new AI features. Automates repetitive tasks. Target hipping niches, tech, digital marketing. With consistent effort, beginners can earn $300, $500 week, and top creators can scale to $2,000 plus per month within 3 to 6 months. Visuals, recap, animation, AI workflow, money graphics, subscribe, overlay, narration. That's your complete roadmap to earn $100 plus per day online using AI tools. In 2026, pick a niche, master tools, create samples, find clients, and scale. Tools that can earn you $100 a day easily. You don't want to miss it.